him out. One more punch, baby. 24 seconds to go. Come on, pull your pants off. God damn it, Tito. Come on, knock him out with one punch. Yes! Yes! One more, baby. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forrest wins! Woo! Forrest wins, baby. Last 2 rounds. That was his 2 rounds. Yes! Tito don't know crap. He didn't do nothing the last 2 rounds.